Yeah, good day, viewers. I am Matthew Igbokwe from Akai Tutors, and today we'll be discussing government. Another government, we'll be discussing electoral system as a broad topic, electoral system, and under it, we'll be discussing electoral commission. Before we delve into the topic proper, Akai Tutors is located in Ile-Ife, opposite Oduduwa College. So you do well to join us as our post-UTME classes have begun in earnest. As you join us, we know and we are confident that we are going to take you to your dream institution of learning and dream course. Now, let's look at the topic electoral system. Specifically where we are going is electoral commission. Already I've discussed or I've treated electoral system with you, right? I've treated some topics underneath with you, right? I told you that please respond well. I've treated with you, right? Because without the background information of electoral system, we may not be able to discuss this in a comprehensive manner. Am I communicating? Yeah. Now let me just do a brief recap. I told you that electoral system refers to the past persons or the personalities. Am I communicating? Yes. The bodies. Am I communicating? Yes. The law that is responsible for the conduct of election in a state. Am I communicating? Am I communicating? Yes. In a country. So electoral system refers to the persons or the personalities, the bodies, and the laws that are responsible or that guides the conduct of election in a country, in a state. Now, and I've discussed the voting systems with you, and the voting systems. Now, let's look at electoral commission. Electoral commission is an integral part of the electoral system. It's an indispensable part of an electoral system. Without the electoral commission, the electoral system the whole electoral system will not be okay, will virtually be in shambles. Am I communicating? Without the electoral commission, the electoral system will be a mockery of its name. Am I communicating? Now, what then does electoral commission mean? Electoral commission. Now, electoral commission is an independent and impartial body. Is a what? Is what? Is an independent and impartial body that is responsible for the conduct of election in a state. An independent and impartial body that is responsible for the conduct of election in a state.